Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The euro hit a one-month high against the US dollar after US President Donald Trump backed down from threatened 50% duties on European Union shipments from June the 1st, as the bloc asked for time to reach a good deal. Oil prices held steady with news that 8 OPEC Plus countries who had pledged extra voluntary oil output cuts will now meet on May the 31st, a day earlier than previously planned. Trading volumes were light due to the US Memorial Day holiday. Global markets climbed and the euro rallied after US President Donald Trump kicked his threat to slap 50% tariffs on European Union goods into July, marking another temporary trade policy reprieve.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.